It's time to share a story. It's time to share a story. It's time to share a story. And we sit down and listen. And we sit down and listen.
Pete the cat and the lost tooth.
Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mother said. The tooth fairy will come. Pete puts his tooth under his pillow. And then he closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. The tooth fairy! I am very busy tonight, the tooth fairy says. I can help, says Pete. Great! She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Visit these cool kids, Callie, Alligator, and Gus. Just take the tooth and leave them a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth and leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look! Alligator's lost tooth. Careful! It's very sharp. Pete takes the tooth and leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus is next on the list. Uh-oh! Where is the tooth? The tooth is not here. The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where is your tooth, Gus?
Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. No worries. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you. You're welcome. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the tooth fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. The end.